time.
Vagos did. Dancehall cameraman.
Peter King with put for head. Come and go on like a you are the dead. I know you Peter King with put for head. Come and go on like a you are the dead. I know you Peter King with put for head. I know you Peter King with put for head. I know you Peter King with put for head. I know you Peter King with put for head. I know you Peter King with put for head. I know you Peter King with put for head. Take me just to go to church and I beg. Are you Peter King with put for head? If you're something good man, if you talk about it. And if you don't good bad man, I know it. If you're something good man, if you talk about it. And if you don't good bad man, I know it. If you're something good man, if you talk about it. If you're something good man, if you talk about it. If you're something good man, if you talk about it. If you're something good man, if you talk about it. If you're something good, 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 if you're something good man, if you talk about it. And if you don't good bad man, I know it. Vegas come and cry over Monty girl. Vegas were kill me fi beanie girl. Vegas come and cry over Monty girl. Vegas were kill me fi beanie girl. Vegas come and cry over Monty girl. Vegas were kill me fi beanie girl.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. Yeah, Nicki Minaj. Boy! Yeah, my people say Khago. Attack Black Vegas. Attack Khago, attack back Vegas. Yeah, we have to say the back, alright? They say, you know, say a two Valley man them, you see it? I couldn't Sherlock or Brook Valley gang them, you see me? Yeah, so watch you know, two friends were turn enemy, just like how my full spleen. Yeah, just like how my full spleen. Because we now work with the X thing, the X man and the X gang, and we now work with the X, because X is like a voodoo thing. X is like hexagram, but X is like the white people witchcraft, you see me? Remember I said black people witchcraft is called black magic. So X are the white magic, you see me? Yeah, when some white people X you and work spell upon you, I don't know what to tell upon you, I swear. You see me? Serious. So watch you know. And I want to tell you, said those X things, you know, the white witch, spell witchcraft. See? It popular over the TikTok thing. And enough of them white girls are practice. And the black girls them too. Black girls them are get involved in it. You see me? And them are work spells against their boyfriend to fall in love and to stay loyal. But we've seen a lot of them come out and I say them regret working spells and doing love magic and all them thing there. We're not supposed to see some of them thing there. And the reason why I think that just forward out, because the universe are work, you know. I feel like the reason why that, because none of this no plan. So the reason why I just talk about that, it probably tie back to that image, the imagery where Khago a display with this red scene, because you know you see period, the blood right there, because them a talk about gal and D'Angel and her two husband them and, you know, bag of things. So this is disgusting. I don't know Khago mount a giant lodge and giant church, you see me, which me did make on know say me not think Khago go want war Vegas because him is a coward, you know. Zin? Because at the end of the day, remember him say a Vegas him thing there. Zin? Vegas him inspire him for sing. So, him said that, I'm showing about the footer and the one Kevin how them I like. And you see it, this is our next couple we match. Zin? And the difference with Footer and one Kevin I fight for good, Footer I fight for evil. See, more and more people are find out in bad mind ways, but we know from long time days, you see me? And see it now, it's like, through Kevin now, Kevin easy for switching but him a wallet, plus the God give him 3 lion what he the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, calm him down. So him if that motivate him and inspire one Kevin now more stronger for go and fight for the good, you see me? So similar to now Khago and Vegas, but their thing is kind of different because the two of them evil, Zane. But remember, the universe at work too, That's why Vegas did have a this massacre at the show, Zane. When him say anybody where I hate cartel them bad mind, them time the mosquito they on the stage out for perform and wait for Vegas for done film session, you see me? So at the universe there I use Vegas. Remember, say Vegas is not a Gaza man. Him always attack against the Gaza. So him just big up the Gaza right there and then. He know not what he have done. It's just the universe take a hold of him right there. You see me I say? So see the universe lead them to war now. See? Because them did team up just last year, and I have great fun and talk, bring down people and you see me I say? I'm talk about this all the while. So even though I was wrong when I telling you say Khago I go run from it, because they telling us I feel say Khago I go run from the clash with Vegas, because Vegas inspire him for sing and do music, see? Which that are the worst man for inspire anybody. Although Vegas bad him sound, him have a sound, see? And you go hear Khago talk about you hear me sing about one of them lyrics them as talk about the how Vegas get licking in him jaw. Zin, but him not tell you the truth thing, because a man lick Vegas in him jaw corner with a iron bar, crowbar. And from Vegas go do surgery and come out of the hospital, him realize him voice better. So out of every bad event and occurrence, there's a blessing. So when bad mind are fighting and want to lick you down, kill you, you come out of the hospital with a gift, will make you rich. So basically that go on, you get what I say? So a long time we hear Vegas talk about that too. From where boy I grow, we hear Vegas talk about that on interview. You see me? Yeah, but them not talk about it much. But Khago, switch it up in a film own ways. Then add some additives to the story. Edited like education, where the dictation was edited. Things pick, choose, and refuse. You see me? And change it and put it convert it to fit his whole intention of where he must spread. You get what I say? Yes, so right now I can't get a break because I want to vlog the song where say God says for VYBZKARTEL, and as my queen saw everything just a pop up. So I just run through them, because a lot of time have lost. Because I'm telling you, so the Bojo video when I upload since morning, from yesterday, last night, that should have go up. So that kind of hold me back because it never did upload. Bag a problem. I did have to scrap it and just put up the raw version. The universe said, give it to me raw like chicken in a granny cupboard. From, you see me I say, so I'm stubborn. Yeah, so I could go in at this, because the song bad, You see me, you know Khago out as I telling you, join church and lodge already. So listen.
VYBZKARTEL, Dancehall cameraman.
So it's a Vegas. See it, Khago can't even spell it, because I'm done. Look how him spell Vegas. Because Khago post this, The man spell it Vagos, Vagas. When I Vegas. You him spell it wrong. And so? Yo, this confused me. Yeah, a VE. That may I say VE. Zine as opposed to VEGAS. But Khago Duns, you see me? Khago Duns. Because I say, what kind of name this? Vagos. You see me? I say that on Vegas. So who am I this? So right now, you see it? Khago Duns slip up already. For be called a dunce spot in the next diss track where Vegas I go put out. Vegas I go say him can't spell. You see me? So me could go hear what more him have to say.
VYBZKARTEL, Dancehall.
The man said, want to Vegas. Him say, come on, go on, like you at the bed. Yo, what kind of thought that? We have to hear more still. Hold up.
Cameraman.
One to Vagos, come and go on like you are the bed. I know you Peter King did put pa.
Man, rise back for the Peter King thing. You see me? For all who don't know, there was a popular tape, just like how Hollywood and the Epstein Island, them have for them days of dying and whining. And you remember Cat William talk about the mansion party with all the top celebs and billionaires and certain rooms when you're going to. Is that Will Smith and Professor Oldie? You know? Yeah, them thing there, you see it. So, them we did have our days like that here in Jamaica with the celebrities, and Vegas was one of the culprits with him name a call up being on Peter King tape. You know, Peter King them say was a famous Batman of Jamaica, you know, where him have whole heap of the ghetto youth them from downtown go uptown, you see me? Him have youth to give them money and a grind them off, you see me? Enough people used to see, cause them say Peter King used to have enough money, you know, and him drive the Chris's a vehicle and him pull up at them boys home, yeah, and pull up where them work, a whole heap of victim him did have in the island, you know, just like how them say P. Diddy have a lot of victims, but Peter King was different from Diddy. You see it? Well, the news we hear about Peter King, because we don't know about Peter King. I don't even know what him look like. See it? But we always hear about him. You see it? So, Vegas' name was strongly affiliated with the names and the likes of Peter King, right? Not just in the music by Bounty Killer spreading this thing, but out there in the streets, which made it even more believable from the fans when they hear Bounty talk about it or sing about it. See it? So Khago go on Wicked Safari, him start with the biggest an attack. The biggest of attack Khago start with. Him not come for ramp, him not come for play. See it? A beer shot astray, you see me?
Head. Take picture to go to church and I beg. How you Peter King did put pa head.
Bongo. Yeah, Vegas he got church for real before. Oh, Jaja. Vegas he go in a church and them usher him out. What him name? Gino Jennings. You see it? And then him say, Peter, are you Peter King did put pa head? And him say Vegas are going like bed. Him just a lay down, cause that's what a bed do. It lay down, it just sit down and lay down. Yeah, the bed just lay down. So him say Vegas are going like bed. Him just a lay down. Everywhere him a go lay down, lay down. Who him a lay down with? Peter King him say.
If you're something good man, I talk about it. And if you don't good bad man, I know it.
Bamba him say, girl, if you're something good, man, I talk about it. And that a danger, I believe it all lead up to, you know. Make you see which name I go get called, cause as I tell you, him start with a bang and him a go hard, him not ease up, him a press gas, accelerate, speedometer burn up. Speedometer burn up. Oh, you fi deal with the road, so. Speedometer burn up.
Vegas come and cry over Bounty girl. Vegas will kill me fi beanie girl.
You see it? Who for name? Him not call no name, but we know who a Bounty and beanie girl. Him say Vegas want kill him for Bounty and beanie girl. You see what I say? The man say if a girl suck him good, him a go talk about it. You see me? And if she do her, she better run where? What him say? You see what him say?
If you're something good man, I talk about it. And if you don't good bad man, I know it.
And if it don't good bad man, I mute it. So it look like him a say, cause remember say a danger him a talk about after this, you know, him say Beanie and Killer Girl, and we know say he has been trolling the Beanie and Killer Girl who has been Angel, right? So him a fling it in the war because remember say Vegas fire shot a defend the Angel in him first attack towards Khago. You see me? And Sean Storm say Khago is just a shit in a bag. What that? You see me? Khago no want go prison, you know, cause him a go empty all of the shit pail. When Shatta go jail, we no empty no shit pail. We have it true real, we have weed parcel. Me liar a big Queen's Council. So me never worry about bail. Cause I tell say no peep true real. We have weed for sale. You see me? When Shatta go jail, don't joke. Steamfish and lobster tail, any sip pour me head like nail. Them can't beat me like when them do art a wheel. Me have a jojo man a Meadowvale, one a Green Deal. The boy will lock me up when him see me in my feel. Blinger, I no girl like Susie Q. When they pan reggae trail, we crush like bird when it's steel. You see, when you go prison, you go college. Bigger than you, yeah. Oxford, Harvard, or Yale. Prison life, never nice. Prison life, I know nothing like paradise. Man, take your life, and when you rest in peace, another man a sex your wife.
Vegas come and cry over Bounty girl. Vegas want kill me fi beanie girl.
Alright, who Vegas want kill him for? See, it's a him say a the angel a suck him good, so him have to talk about it. Boy, look like the angel do more than just give him the front for take the button. She give him the front, she give him all. Didn't it? She give him everything she give him. You see me? It seems.
Girl, if you're something good, we have to talk about her. And if you don't good, but you got a new tell.
So it look like that are the chorus. But you know, that is not a good chorus. He must style the angel wicked, man. Because he make sure you use the angel part as the chorus. But remember, say the chorus, the only part will repeat, the chorus play more than the verse them in a song, I remember, say each verse only play once. So you only are going to hear the verse them once in the song. You're going to hear the first verse once. Then you're going to hear the second verse once. And if there's a third verse, then probably repeat the first verse. And nobody not really listen out song so long. You get what I say? So him, for choose the angel part, for make the chorus, we are going to repeat after. Remember, say the chorus normally forward at the beginning of the song. Then the chorus come again. It wheel and come again after the first verse. So that at the second time, you're going to hear a chorus in our song. And then after the second verse, the chorus are going to play again. And if there's a third verse, the chorus are going to play again. And more time them end the song with the chorus. So 4 or 5 times a chorus I play another song. And at the angel part I go play that often. That boy a wicked, cruel. He must slaughter the angel too. And so far, he must diss the angel way more than how him diss Vegas.
Vegas come and buy out the fucking feelings in my carry but a leg not touching.
So feelings in my carry but no leg not touch him. So him not get no leggings. Nothing him not get. Not even close to the crotch. Vegas I get and I defend. You see me? Him a defend a chick where him not get not even the leg. You see me? It's like him a beg.
Now I'm to cameraman. Your baby mother say no deal do can't too long for you.
No, you see him draw that second line there a while ago. Where him say after I'm talk about Mr. Cameraman, because remember, the reason why I'm called Vegas Dancehall Cameraman, right? For those who don't remember, back in 2012, while I was living at Big Ship up at Genius, them Steve McGregor yard, them time the Vegas, there was a big news with Vegas, with his relationship that he was in with one of his recent baby mothers at the time. Right, and he figured that she was giving him bun, and which means, for those who don't understand, means when Jamaicans say, "Girl, I give you a bun," or your girlfriend, I give you a bun, that means she's cheating on you with another man or another girl or another animal or something. You know what I say? So when you get bun, you get cheated on, right? So Vegas did believe, said him woman had cheated on him back in 2012. And this was his baby mother who just have a baby for him. You see me? And Vegas set up camera in the place. Vegas set up camera in the place and watch her. And then him eventually catch her up on the camera having sex with the baby on the bed with another man, right? And we see a lot of people overlook the fact that this girl have sex. I forgot black that out. Have sex beside Vegas and her child, right? Which was unacceptable. And people look past that, turn a blind eye to that, and of course Vegas say, "Oh yeah, put up camera, But I him buy the house and put her there, or him pay the apartment fee, whatever it was, if it was a rental place. You see me? And once you think that, once you are being accommodated by someone, you don't really have no say like that, you see me? So I just saw that the rules of earth runnings that you can't go around it. Dale Elliott the live, I should have catch him live. Jaja no star. You see me? Them say Maja I bad mind him, cause true the youth are more Jamaican and you see me, him a rock the place and I get tour and all type of thing, you see me? Maja I pop down and I cry and I ball for such a big man. That's why people can't rate him. Cause him big like a giant like an elephant and I move like a mouse. Know what I mean? Say you have enough little maga youth, enough little man where just maga and little and for them stress what them a go through in this world and to them a result like to how them take it, you wouldn't even know say them a go through nothing. And this big monstrous elephant man have major hype, like major hype, major hype, or one call him. Just love ball like a girl, or like a doll. You see me I say? He need for tough up him heart, man. I want him to him. You see me? Yeah. So anyway, I saw the Khago thing go. You see me? So the Vegas with the camera thing, people they look past when baby mother do and I cuss him. I say, what kind of man you be? Don't know if you do that. So people, there was different opinion with people in the streets where some of them I said, no, the girl there. But it seems like more people were more hurt and in their feelings about Vegas placing a camera there to, to assure him if his baby mom was really cheating or not. So make we move on and continue.
She tell you say she your man. Punani watch man can't style me. What do you come act like man just like she?
Yo, Jaja do Khago when him ready for scramble a bag of word and just chat, man. You have to go in your country lab, and most away at town, yeah. We not to go country regular again like one time, you see me? Like the strong time.
Paraman, your baby mother say no didn't do can't too long for you.
Oh my God. And baby mother really said that? I think he's capping, you see me? But in baby mother did say some bag of thing when them camera thing that did come out, it was a back and forth thing, you see me? I say? But she was more scared, it seems, of the backlash from those who were more, affected by what she had done, instead of those people who would be having their focus on Vegas with the camera and thinking that that was the most outrageous thing in the whole scenario. The other set who had their focus on what she did with the baby beside her, cheating in 4K, right? She was scared of that side of attack from those people who, and that was me too, like I say, yo, I never have no time for a priest if Vegas put up camera, but what she do, as I say, unacceptable, you see me? In thy sight, oh Lord, you see me? Yeah, so I don't know if she did say Vegas, but I don't know if she did make no mention about no dildo with Vegas and where him can manage from where him can't manage.
She tell you say she your man. Punani watchman can't style me.
Punani watchman can't style me. I want to you. You see me? But she say, yeah man, Vegas, hey, don't make that part the fly over your head where Khago say, she said, I man, That means that Vegas was like the little biatch in the relationship and she was the one with the pants. She was the one wearing the pants. She was the one putting belt to ass. You get what I say? And anything Vegas want in the house, him have to ask.
Yo, come on, act like man just like she gets up. So let me till you could have had
Outside, him said after Vegas was the biatch in his relationship with his baby mother who him set up camera pan, right? Who she was the man in the relationship wearing the pants, right? Him say Vegas left from that and want to come deal with him now like him is a man. You get me? Vegas want to act like a man now attacking Khago, which is a sort of a good line. But them money are not really lyrical. Them money are just chat a bag of thing like when you chat and trace. You see me? I like frack and taste. That them money I do, you see me? Yeah, you see it. But Khago entertaining still, Yeah, I'm entertaining. But I'm not really my type of, as I tell you, I rate artists who are not just talented, but have great quality too. You get me? I say? Not you're talented and I make bag of song and a bag of people like you and a brain. No, I don't mean that. Me have to see qualities within the eye. For me say, yeah, that brother there or that girl there, yeah.
Say the boy suck a pipe and broke him one jawbone. I ain't friend famous, say so.
So this now here, I may tell you about get licking I'm jawbone or I'm jaw corner with a crowbar. Then and him come out of the hospital can sing. Chicago I make you know film terms yeah, or what him know what happen or what is alleged to believe that had happened. So he must say a man tacky, you see me? Broke Vegas moment, he might come out of the hospital and can sing some boss. And Khago say Vegas Virgin when him famous face so. And people them say, oh, Vegas now so famous face, but Vegas are so bunty. Something alright. That's what Ninja Man would have said. Something alright. Yeah, but Vegas will just give it up as me I tell you in a previous video. Say the world don't believe say in mix up in all sort of things. So don't try to convince the massive otherwise. Just give it up. Let them believe what they want to believe. You see me? Or let we all believe what we all want to believe till the belief become his belief instead of a misbelief. Because it look like it's a misbelief, him a misbelieve himself. Because first the Peter King 99 tape with bass celebrities, you get what I say? So it was crazy. And then also say Beenie Man was on it, you know. Vegas is not the only one, so we can't go on like say Vegas are the only one. Enough artists them said up on it. The Beenie Man name was strongly affiliated with it. Enough other individual. You get what I say?
Dancehall cameraman, them call him the first dancehall zoomer. Set camera and baby mother rumor.
Bamba God, them call him the dancehall Zoomer. Zoomer. You know who Zoomer is? The boy watching mother grind. Universe now I'm talk about that. Too filthy. We can't put that in the minds of others right now. You get me? But although Khago put some more disgusting things in the minds of others right now. It's crazy. Nearly choke. And chew up. If you choke and chew up and blow up and bust and glue up and the place just blow up right up and a bitch and chew up and make and blow up and bomb them take and chew up and we not stop. I would not stop raise and grow up like the price them so much and watch. Tell them
the pervert dancehall baboona. Yet they do nothing talk. No you should.
And them thing the Khago have, you know. Well, I could go back to the zoomer, the dancehall camera zoomer, cause him a zoom in. When a bag of thing, you see it. And broke him one jawbone. Alright, we got through that already, though. Oh.
I friend famous, dancehall cameraman.
Them call him, you hear the ad lib there? Listen back. You no go back and listen. Me nah go back. Me go black. Zin. Anybody go back, I go black. Zin, watch this. So he must say, them call him. The ad lib says so, you know, but it said silently. I have to listen good and have the ears piece. You see me? So the ad lib said, them call him. Dancehall camera. Must the man him say, but him do it like Eminem and draw the M. Say, them call. No, him say, them call him dancehall camera. You get me? So what you know? I just say him forward with the zoomer. So him zoom in on things. But Khago had this zoomer too, you know, we watch him mother grind, man, you know, and I back him fist at the said time. And I thought about him a comedian, that's why him says so. We don't believe him, you see it. Yeah, move so deceiving.
I'm calling the first dancehall zoomer. Set camera and baby mother rumor.
That bad, you know. We call him the dancehall zoomer. Set camera in and baby mother rumor. Wonder if I'm forward with cancer and tumor. Listen.
But the pervert dancehall baboona.
The baboona. Never expect that, but I should have known better. Say I didn't think them Khago would have said the baboona. You see me? I can't even find an official word where would I end with a rhyme flow there. He must fear put up on everything where sound like balloon. You see me?
I do nothing talk. No you show a video with him and I dig out of your mother.
When say enough him this? Who him this there, sir? But nothing of talk? No. Oh, he must say Vegas enough talk. Because nowadays when people say nothing, you know, they hear nothing, you know, say nothing I'm easy for call, you know. What's with the Jamaican patois when we say, yo, you're not for do that, you know. And nothing name pop up, you see me?
She said you did a jerk off in the start. What a chudi man cocky and gone one pass.
You hear them rubbish there? Now I just straight trash, you know. I'm not pretty up nothing, I be a trash Khago gone, you know. Khago just freestyle some rubbish, entertainer. Him not pre for NewYork. Him just a pre for make people laugh. And him not have it like Tommy Lee do. Well, like how Tommy Lee do that to Mosquito. Tommy Lee make the whole world laugh off a Mosquito. Till Mosquito all know him can't recover. Pot cover, box cover. Tell the Rasta with the locks get him locks cover.
That's why you bring it to the news. Then I know not see a queer if you can do.
Yo, I'm not like I'm a draw out every second line. You know what I mean? Like him a say, you want down room. Him not catch it on timing. But now say you can't do that sometime we might do and draw out the second one, stretch it to a little bit from the first ending. You know what I mean? Like the first line would have been 10 seconds, and then this way might do now with the second line. Him now make it match up to the 10-second rhyming. He must stretch it out to 12-13 seconds. See?
She said your man keeps the thing for fuck from him. You see you queer if you can do.
You see it? At this moment, this is when it finally decided say he's delivering trash. The song turn a garbage truck, you know. After half of the song, just half of the song good. Then just a little part of the song good. Probably just quarter of the song good. Because I'm going to say the complete half. But still him give you some other things in the first half where it's like a good ball game, but then him tired out on the second half. So Vegas a lead.
You should have led with the secret, the Vegas you're confused. You see them.
Him a use confused too much.
Cartel group, you go and go wash it plate with nothing because you're confused.
Bumbleclaw, you see it? Nothing him easy for call. Him all use the regular patois, nothing, say you nothing do that and he must call nothing him. You know what I mean? Like when nothing have to do with this brother. Nothing I go shame them, you know. What you want to say?
Yeah, Max, the sky god just crash out. Why you splash out? Now beg you please crash out.
No, I couldn't laugh a while ago if I laugh my choke and smoke. You see me?
The sexy you cock up and dash out. Them why you twist.
It look like Khago watch the tape, you know, with Vegas. Vegas like play to a wash out and a dash out. Wait, him start from foul or scratch out.
Crash out, so singer just crash out. Send him up, the long talk, but you be the arm post. Mama man, I watch side man like post. Send him like...
Him a watch side man like ghost. Because them can't see. Because them can't see Vegas a watch them. Yo, I don't think say a ghost. You know, say ghost will think say I even get this. Or a black ghost will sing like Michael Jackson. You see me? Ghost, the Jamaican ghost, what they will come out on internet and tell Cartel and Alkaline them for unite. I bet you say, cause him not so bright, you know, I bet you say him will check say him cause got this when him say Vegas I watch him like ghost. Oh, no, sir. I'll do a big up ghost still, you know, cause ghost really come say it one better way than all the rest of haters them would have come out and say it, you know. Because Ghost did make it, our Michael Jackson singer Ghost, the black Ghost, see? Yeah, him did make it clear, say, Alkaline, are you know, we see this Cartel and I try to go apologize to the man and mend back the thing, you know, so the man can give back him blessing to, you know. Ghost say it the best way than how the rest say. You see it? Ghost say it the best way than how the rest say. You see me? Yeah.
Then a jerk off back a one post. Gunshot boy get that a reinforce. Still you want to cameraman. You the mother say the dildo never too long for you.
Alright, so here him know that word. Because when you hear Khago use the term reinforce, oh you think him know that? I remember says not a man with good words and high vocab, you know what I mean, abilities, you know, so I just dream of Billy Mouse and him hear the Mason man them always I say, you have to reinforce the wall, reinforce. That's why I'm telling you so you can see through people and what them say, the things them do. Then, you see how quick I pick that up, say Khago learn that word from the Mason man them around him. Because him is not a man who have them, even though that is not really a long term or a big word for me, but for him, I know it's a big word for him. You know what I say? I can tell you where it came from. Is it the Mason man them him learn that from? You see me? Reinforce.
She tell me you say she a your man. Punani watch man can't style me about to your
See, she tell the world say she a your man. Bumble cloud. So Vegas was the pitch. You get me with the skirt on.
See ya act like Juliet side chick, yes sir. Me never know say your politics a keep, yes sir.
Oh, Juliet Wellness. The man this Andrew Wellness wife. Cause she have a side. No, Andrew Wellness have a side chick. And she have her side man. Zin, so one better mix up, fix up thing.
Vegas suck a pipe and broke him one job on. I ain't friend famous, say so.
And that him done the song with, you know. But at least, at that Vegas did do, you know, Vegas deemed the complete song. Zin. Before him release it on YouTube and see it, him do about the same thing. So, levels for levels. But a Vegas a lead that one you see him way. No matter how little Vegas a lead by, a Vegas a lead. So Vegas will just come do a next one and make sure him call him Dunce. Because Khago spell him name wrong. Khago can't spell. See it there? Alright, me done at that. Me tell you from the beginning. And so in the beginning it shall be in the end. And see them just end it with reinstate. I mean I show you say, wait, me shock a while ago. Come here, say that word then in I'm vocab. So how me know the universe show me say, look at the man, the Mason man them around him where I build up him house all along and them like a building project and work the way him do. I so come him learn that word the reinstate. You see me? Yeah. But him not know say reinstate can also use in a way of reinstating someone in a workplace. You get what I say? Yeah, him not know that. Oh, okay, so. Yeah, man, big up Khago still. Although the plucker diss me already, but me diss him back many times more than before. See it? So, let me see if I can just run it phone one time.
Vagos did. Dancehall cameraman. You are the dead. I know you Peter King did put per head. Take picture to go to church and a beg. How you Peter King did put per head. Tell if you're something good man have to talk about it. And if you don't good bad man I know it. Vegas come and cry over Monkey girl. Vegas will kill me for beanie girl. Tell if you're something good man have to talk about it. And if you don't good bad God I know it. Vegas come and buy out the fucking feelings in my chair but I leg not touching. Tell her I'm to cameraman. Your baby mother say no didn't do can't too long for you. She tell you say she a your man. Punani watch man can't sky me ya bad to you. Come on act like man just side chick yourself. So let me till you could have bad to ya. Say the boy suck a pipe and broke him one job one. I ain't friend famous say so. Dancehall cameraman, them call him the first dancehall zoomer. Set camera and baby mother rumor. Dirty pervert dancehall baboona. Yet I do nothing talk. No you show a video with the man at the go to baby mother up. And she said you did a jerk off in the stop. What a true the man cocky and gone one pass. Say that's why you bring it to the news. Yet I do not see a queer up your confused. She said you got man teach the thing for fuck from him. You see you queer up your confused. You little daughter traumatized. You should have led with the secret, the Vegas you're confused. You know see your tongue cartel group, you go and go wash it plate with nothing cause you're confused. Yeah, Max the Sky God just crash out. Wyatt to splash out, now beg you please crash out. Vegas up on the sex tape, cock up and a dash out. Them Wyatt to splash out, so singer just crash out. Send me up, y'all and talk, but you video and post. Mama man a what side man like post. Send me mind and a jerk off, back a one post. Gunshot boy get that a reinforced. Still on to cameraman, your baby mother said it didn't do never too long for you. She tell you say she a your man. Punani watch man can't style me ya bad to you. Sissy ya act like Juliet side chick yes sir. Me never know say your politics a keep yes sir. Say Vegas suck a pipe and broke him one job on. I ain't friend famous say so.
Want to dance all camera? Yeah, tough you know. Yeah, so we are in it. Hurry up and fling it up. What is under my nose?